I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and we are the couple from InspiredTaste.net. Today we are making roasted mushrooms. We roast mushrooms in a hot oven with herbs and garlic until they're deeply flavored and golden brown, and then we serve them with fresh lemon zest on top. So good. Let's go make them. Start by prepping your mushrooms. I use a damp towel to brush away any dirt, then remove any hardened stems. These are cremini, but most mushrooms work nicely in this recipe. Finally, we slice them into 1/4 inch thick slices. We will need some garlic for later, so mince 2 cloves and set them aside with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Toss the mushrooms onto a large baking sheet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 bay leaves, and some fresh thyme. Toss until the mushrooms are well coated, then spread into one layer. Roast in a 400-degree F oven, occasionally stirring until mostly browned, 20 to 25 minutes. Now the mushrooms are almost done, stir in the garlic, salt, and pepper. Roast for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the garlic is fragrant. We love serving them with chives and lemon zest sprinkled on top. And that's it, easy and delicious oven roasted mushrooms. As always, the entire recipe is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.